Okay, so this is just a quick update of my setup. Now I have OLED display which are showing both voltages from the bus, and what I don't like is the voltages is still fluctuating quite a bit, so this is an issue for me, and I think I'm going to make some small changes. And why? Because here I have too many wires connected here, and I want in the future to use something like this to connect all the wires together. So I'm gonna put all of the wiring from here. I will move to the back on the solder board. So let me show you on this one here on light. Okay, so I'm gonna solder directly on the board from point this to this. Okay, let's have a focus here. Okay, from this one to this one, I suppose. I have to check the schematic here. And I will have some more space to use. And options number 2, I'm going to remove all this wiring for the voltage sense, because in the future all of these wires, it will be connected on the board. You can see on the schematic here is connected to this wire on the plus of bus 2. So I'm gonna solder directly on the back on this, so it will be some smaller, just a few wires. Anyway, this is also the revision 2, let's say, for the code, because now it has option with a difference, a voltage difference. So right now, if I'm going to remove this wire from bus 2, 0 volts, it will go on bus 1. And if I'm going to remove also this one, it will go off completely. It is not done. One feature is not entirely done, I suppose. One more feature I would like to have is elapsed time, because I can control how much it's running all the setup, but this will be in the future. One last thing. Now I'm powering all my setup from a power bank. So you simply can use only the Arduino, these 4 relay boards, and you can make some custom voltage divisors like this one and solder directly on the board. So if you have a power bank, you don't need this one, which controls, actually it's a kind of alarm on the buttons. Display, it's optional, and also this buck converter, it's optional, so you don't need. Anyway, in the future, maybe I will make, just for fun, just a simple version to test the loops and the conditions with this one and this one, and with the power bank and these voltage divisors. So it will be okay. So my next video will be with this board simplified, because as I told you already, I want to use all these wires to simplify as much as I can all the setup. Okay, best regards.